learned about coding, and we did Tinker, and it was fun.
I remember the math with Mr. Security, the chickpeas.
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 Right.
What did you do with the chickpeas?
When Mr. Caddy was here, we learned how to use or dividing with chickpeas.
I think reasoning is good because it makes you use logic, kind of like an IQ test.
And our unit was about communications, and then we did coding and stuff. So when you code, you technically just send a message to the person you're gonna send a message just in numbers. In the abstract reasoning, there was like a code where all like the numbers communicate, and you have to find out what they're trying to say, type of, to find out what you have to do. So that was like communicating, and binary codes was like going up, so you could like understand, or going down, so you could like understand they were communicating in a way.
We learned about binary codes, and if we didn't learn how to code, we wouldn't have been able to connect from other places from the world.
We had to find a letter, like, and then like say what there was to say, like what it became. And
using zeros and ones.
yeah.
Emil, how do you make 23 in binary code?
Okay, for making 23, you have to find the highest number, because you'll need it for making 23, but you can't use 8 because 8 plus 16 is 24, right?
Yeah.
And you have to use 7. How do you make 7? You have to add 4 plus 2 plus 1. 8 is not with, and then you add 7 to that one.
Yeah.
And that equals 23. And for binary codes, it would be 1. It would be 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. You see why? Because it's 1 on all the ones who are not protected, and crossed out is 0.
Yeah.
Okay?
So in our unit about the medical history in COVID-19, and division is also linked to that, because, for example, if there's one virus and then they split into 2, then there'll be 2, no, there'll be 3, 3 altogether, and then those 2 make 4, and then those 4, I think they make 8, and then there'll be more and more and more.
With stuff like exponential growth, it's growing kind of like an outbreak would. And a graph links to it, because there are normally loads of graphs about the spread of the disease.
Learning how it is spread to many viruses.
Okay. And how does the virus spread?
First it is 1, and then it is 2, and then it becomes 4, and
Okay.
then more and more.
Den Anna, det har jo 2 det. Og hvis begge 2 smitter en, når de er 2, så er det jo 4 som er smittet da.
With multiplication, I think they link to it by because a virus would multiply when it spreads with people, and then division would link to it because a virus could divide into 2.
Wow, this is nice. How do we play this game?
It's actually kind of simple. You just
complete these tasks to unlock the code that will lead you to the big box. That you have to unlock all these codes, and you'll get a little hint in this to help you to solve the codes. And yeah, that's it. You win the game.
Bare norsk.
Så du må løse oppgaven her. Og så svarene på de oppgavene er koder.